Lesson 7. If we believe in ourselves, we can do many things.
第7课听力测验 Part A 听力篇1辨识句意选出符合句子描述的图片
1. The man can pick up the ball with his toes. The man can pick up the ball with his toes. 2. The girl on TV is a successful public speaker. The girl on TV is a successful public speaker. 3. The dentist takes care of our teeth. The dentist takes care of our teeth. 4. If it rains, we will go to the movie. If it rains, we will go to the movie. 5. The cat is in fear. The cat is in fear.